I pressed start button for a long time to turn off the phone. The telephone starts again working, but the screen doesn't work. Some messages coming, and still nothing.